yogurt? Yogurt is a fermented milk production that is made by combining two specific starter bacteria. Bacteria are Streptococcus thermophilus and Lactobacillus bulgaricus.
The function of bacteria Streptococcus thermophilus are to thrive warmer temperature and to produce lactic acid. Second, the function of bacteria Lactobacillus bulgaricus are also to produce lactic acid. This bacteria contributing significantly to flavor and has to work with bacteria Streptococcus thermophilus to produce lactic acid.
Yogurt also important to the consumer, especially to improve health, because in yogurt has probiotic culture like bifidobacterium and other lactobacillus species. These species bacteria often added for enhanced health effect. Bacteria that can improve health are lactobacillus acidophilus. These bacteria common added probiotic that support gut balance and digestion.
Secondly, bacteria Lactobacillus casei. These bacteria for immune and digestion support. Bifidobacterium are added for digestion help. Lastly, Lactobacillus rhamnosus are known for health benefits.
At the molecular level of bacteria are driven by the need for energy. They started with lactose, the large sugar molecule in milk. Using the enzymes glycosylase, they first break lactose down into its simpler units, glucose and galactose. The glucose then enters the glycolysis pathway, which processes it down to pyruvate. The key step here is where the enzyme lactate dihydrogenase rapidly converts the pyruvate into the large quantities of lactic acid. This efficient process is what we call hemolytic fermentation.
The buildup of this lactic acid has an immediate and visible result. It drastically reduces the pH of the milk, dropping it from around 6.7 to a crucial point, around pH 4.6. This is the isoelectric point of casein, the major milk protein. When casein hits this exactly acidity, it loses its electrical charge stability, leading to immediate coagulation. These protein molecules link up to form a strong three-dimensional mesh, the gel network, which is the thick texture we recognize as yogurt. Finally, the secondary pathways give yogurt its characteristic taste. While lactic acid brings the primary tartness, our lactobacillus species also metabolize amino acids to produce key flavors compounds. The most important of this is the acetylidine, which provides that signature fresh, tangy or slightly green apple-like aroma. These combined biochemical actions deliver both the physical, structure and complex taste profile of the final yogurt product.
The next is case study of proof microorganism in yogurt production. Our published paper from Journal of Dairy Science 2023. The title is Influence of Lactobacillus bulgaricus and Streptococcus thermophilus ration on yogurt fermentation characteristic, Sen et al. 2023. Our objective first to examine the microbiological safety aspect in yogurt production, including the role of starter cultures and features that affect the stability of microorganisms. Secondly, to evaluate the quality of yogurt products in terms of texture, acidity, stability, and processing factor that influence psychochemical characteristic of yogurt. Thirdly, to describe the functions and health benefits of yogurt, including probiotics, nutritional value, and bioactive components. Lastly, to analyze the sensory evolution of yogurt, covering taste, aroma, texture, and consumer acceptance. For this study, the research methodology begins with the preparation of the sample. High quality yogurt is made from closed milk that is first heated through pasteurization and then cooled. Once the milk reaches the appropriate temperature, beneficial bacteria known as starter culture are added to begin the yogurt making process. There are two main bacteria involved in yogurt production. First, Lactobacillus bulgaricus. Second, Streptococcus thermophilus. These bacteria work together to ferment the milk and transform it into the yogurt. During the fermentation stage, the yogurt mixture is incubated at temperature 42 to 45 degrees Celsius. The fermentation process lasts 4 to 6 hours or until the yogurt reaches a pH of around 4.5. Throughout fermentation, to monitor the growth of lactic acid bacteria, change in pH, lactic acidity level, and the development of the yogurt texture and aroma. Third, lactic acid concentration. The lactic acid content increase in line with the growth of LAB. Lactose was converted into lactic acid, giving yogurt its sour taste and improved stability. The texture becomes thicker due to the fermentation of the milk protein gel. Number 4, texture and aroma improve. The aroma of yogurt increases because of bacterial metabolism. In conclusion, lactic acid bacteria plays a vital role in yogurt production. They speed up fermentation process and help the lower of pH, which improve the safety and quality of the yogurt. The type of milk used also influence the texture, aroma, and thickness of the final product. Therefore, without microorganism, yogurt cannot be formed, even if the milk is clean. Thank you.